Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be unstuffing our Christmas envelope as well as our challenges that are finished and putting them toward our Christmas. So if you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's see how we did in our challenges and let's see which ones we have completed. So we are going to start with our Christmas savings. Today is the 13th and we need to get started on Christmas. I do have some stuff I ordered, so I will be putting some of this money in the bank. So on Christmas we have 5, 6, 700, 50, 70, 90, 91, 92, 93, $793 in Christmas. And for our challenges, we have completed our $500 challenge. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500. And we have also completed our 60 envelope challenge. So in this envelope we have 1,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200. $1,200 is what our envelope should end up to at the end of the 60 envelope challenges, and that's exactly what we have. So let's see how much we have all together. And some of this is in prop money because it's already in the bank. Okay, so let's see how much we have all together. So we have 1,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 2,000, 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. $2,493 is what we have that is being used toward Christmas. So in our 60 envelope savings challenges, we saved $1,200. And in our $500 savings challenge, of course, we saved $500. And we had $793 in our Christmas envelope. It came up to the total of $2,493. So all this will be put in, of course, we will be taking what's out and putting it back in prop. So let me see what is all not prop money. The money that is actually not propped is 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, $443. The rest of it is already in the bank. So there you have it. We still have our 100 envelope challenge that's going on. We will not be stuffing Christmas until the beginning of the year. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.